Can you say thank you, Nancy County?
Thank you, Nancy County.
For what?
What?
No. Why are you thanking Nancy County?
Your sweater.
Yeah.
I'll go on that.
Yeah. Careful. No, no, no. Yeah, you can't do that. You're being a little daredevil. Can you sit down? Thank you. Careful. You can't make that step. Yeah. Can you say anything about your sweater? What color is your sweater?
Blue.
Yeah! Is that your favorite color?